So welcome to Personal Mastery Session. I'm Subhash Karthik, your executive coach. We all want success. We all want success. But my question to everyone, in this journey of success, can we fail? What do you say? If we are putting our effort, if we are giving our effort, can we fail? I'm asking you right now, and is there anybody who would like to answer? They will raise their hand. I'll unmute you. In the journey of success, if we do our part well, can we fail? Silky.
Yes, so good evening, sir, and good evening, all my friends. I believe that, yeah, if we are giving our efforts, still there are chances to be failed.
Okay.
There may be several reasons behind it. Like, I am not saying, like, even I am giving efforts in a right manner,
Mm-hmm.
still then I could fail because several things, only efforts are not uh, enough, I feel. Only efforts are not enough to, get success. There are several things like several sort of information and
No,
several sort
I'm
of,
not
yeah.
asking for why we will fail. I'm just
Yes,
asking
sir.
one
I
thing.
think
Is there any
yes,
probability of getting
yes, sir.
disappointment? Yes.
Yes,
So as per Silky is saying that if we put our best effort also, there is a probability of disappointment. We may fail. Ritu wants to say something.
Yes, sir. We may fail.
Okay, why and how?
If we don't put our full effort, I think there will be some shortcomings in our effort, in our journey. That's why we fail, according to me. If
No,
we will do
suppose if
it,
I am putting my all effort, whatever effort is required, I am putting that.
so it means that we don't have that efficiency to do that.
So means you can say that
Like,
even after putting our effort also we may fail.
yes, sir,
Okay,
because
let's
we
go
don't
to
have that.
okay. Okay, we don't have a much, will not go. Okay, good. Let's go to Rupesh. I think Rupesh has some answer. Yeah.
Yes, sir. We may fail, but the failure could be a learning for ourselves that we can uh, do the right thing in some different way so that we cannot get failure in next step.
Okay. Okay. So anyway, he's telling we may fail. Okay, we'll go to Vandana.
Yes, so we can fail because if we are not systematic, if we don't know the strategy, so our condition would be like
No, suppose we
some
have strategy. Suppose we have strategy. We are doing everything, but still, with whatever is required, I'm doing it. Is there any chance we will fail? Can there be a luck issue also?
No.
luck. See, luck. I don't believe in luck. I believe in the hard work and consistency.
Okay. 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 I'll go to Neeraj. Yeah. Hi, Neeraj.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I don't feel total failureness. I feel it most of the time it become a lessons and defeat possible. It is possible that at that time strategies, government strategies change or circumstances change or our some problems from family or situation. But every failure it is always a lesson for me. But it is not we should fail totally failed. We should learn from that failures also. I don't believe in despite all efforts we will 100% fail every time. Not possible. Not possible. Not possible.
Okay. Yeah. Karunesh, you want to say something?
Sir, as far as my views are concerned, if we are giving full effort, but if there is a lack of belief what we are doing, so then there are the chances to be a fail.
So what do you think? To be successful, what is the percentage of belief we should have?
100%. We must have belief in whatever we are doing. If first we have believed that whatever I am doing, definitely I will get success. Then there are chances are very less to be fail.
Okay, so that clearly means that if you have joined with an expectation, and this is
Yeah.
an executive course, so of
Yeah.
course you paid more for this. So when you
Yeah.
paid more for this, that does matter that your result, your productivity will be more than the normal people.
Of course, definitely.
Definitely, right? कुछ लोग अभी भी सोच रहे हैं ना, definitely
No,
बोले,
there's no doubt.
Okay, now I'll tell you guys, I don't know what you feel, but I'm telling you, if you do your part well, you will never fail. Failure is not an option. And I'm telling you why. See, I'm giving my example. We have taken, as an organization, we have taken one vision. And you can see the vision is mentioned in, in my back. The vision is 1K5L Vision 2026. So this is the vision. In this vision, we are saying by 2026, 1K means 1,000 coaches, and 5L means 5 lakh students. This is our vision 2026, which we have taken in this 2021. 1,000 coaches, 5 lakhs students we are going to train. This is what is our vision. And we are working on it. Currently, we have got 7, 8, including me, 9 coaches. So currently we have 9 coaches, 2026. So it's still a 5 years time. Now, can we fail? Okay, let me tell you. If we are doing our best effort, it may happen, guys, it may happen that by coming 2026, हो सकता है कि we will not reach here, the target, whatever you can see in my back. We fail to reach here, but we will not be failure because आज हम जहाँ पे है वहां पे तो नहीं रहेंगे. Try to understand. Fail means what? I am going back. Today I am at certain level. I have made a target. I want to reach there. Of course, I'm working really hard to achieve this. But I don't know how much I'll achieve. I'm 100% confident I'll achieve that. But if suppose I don't achieve, at least whatever I'm sitting at right now, I'll not be here. I'll rise. हो सकता है कि 1000 कोच ना हो, 900 कोच हो, लेकिन आज तो मेरे पास 9 कोचेस हैं. So I'll not be sitting at what I'm sitting at. So change is always happening. If you are working, change is always happening. If you are not doing anything, you are degrowing. There's a story of growing or degrowing. You are growing or degrowing. If you are working, you are growing. If you are not working, you are degrowing. You cannot fail if you are doing your part well. Failure means you are going back. If you're not, what happened from our childhood, we have been told, if either you are either you are pass or fail, either you are top or fail, either you are first or fail. अरे भाई, first और failure के बीच में भी कुछ है. That is called we are fighting, we are striving, we are working, we are learning. So ये भी तो एक, these are also an achievement. We cannot say that we are failing. Guys, you all have come here. Why? Because you want to improve your personality. You want to improve your communication. Now, on the day one, what you were, and the day when you will end it, you will not be the same. I don't know what you will be and how much you will achieve, but you will not be same. That's for guaranteed. You will not, either you don't achieve, you will not be the same what you are today. That's why you cannot fail when you do your part well. You may get few percent less than what you have thought, but you cannot fail. Failure is not an option. Okay, so guys, this 3 masterpiece quotient, these quotients are very important to succeed in our life. We all know about the person who is here right now. You know, Steve Jobs. He was the founder of Apple, and he was a top performer. Whatever he used to do, he used to give his best. He was the best performer, and he was the best communicator. He was having less technical knowledge comparatively, because he was having his friend. He was Mr. Wozniak, if I'm not wrong. His name was Mr. Wozniak. He was his friend, and they both started in the garage. You know, they both started with Apple. He was not technical. You know, normally Steve Jobs was looking more about the about the marketing field, and Mr. Wozniak was more on the technical field. So they both used to work, and we all know the story. He was terminated, and again he joined back. You know, so when you do your part well, you will always succeed. आप कहीं पे भी जाओगे, आपका नौकरी भी चले जाए ना, आपको एक ऐसी नौकरी मिलेगी, you will grow. आपका बिजनेस अगर डाउन भी हो जाए ना, you will do a new business and you will grow. You will never fall down. Now, guys, what do we really require to succeed in our life? Your decision. Your decision is very, very important. Today, whatever you have achieved is due to your decisions you have taken in your life. Even right now, you are sitting here attending my class. It is also your decision. And some have not attended. That is also the decision. Some have joined the class. That is their decision. Some have not joined the class. That is also their decision. If you take decision, it will lead you to somewhere. आप अगर डिसीजन लोगे, आप वहां नहीं पहुंचोगे जहां पे जो लोग नहीं डिसीजन किए हैं वो लोग हैं. If you are taking decision, you will always do better than people who are not taking decision. इतना आप जो जान लो. जो लोग रिस्क लेते हैं ना, they are in a better state. जो लोग सेफ्टी करते हैं ना, वो लोग और नीचे जाते हैं. Taking risk with proper, precautions and all, it is very important. But taking risk is important. हमें रिस्क लेना चाहिए और हमें डिसीजन लेना चाहिए. You have taken decision, you are here, and you will face the positive benefits. Okay, now we will see what will lead us to better decision. Because see, what we have seen, success comes from decision. If you will take quality decision, you will be successful definitely in your life. Now my question is how to take good decision. Because if you would have taken a wrong decisions, you must have gone down. If you have taken right decision, you must have, rise up. That's the simple formula. In my life, I have taken many wrong decisions. I have chosen wrong people in my life. There are so many friends which I shouldn't be with them, but I went with them. I wasted my time. I invested in a lot of things which were very risky in financial institution. I did a lot of wrong decisions and I faced the consequences. I'll tell you one of my very bad decision. When I was in +2, I wanted to take commerce. But my father wanted that, no, my son will take science. Now my father expected from my sister, and my sister took arts. वो तो चली गई. Then it came to my brother. My brother took commerce. अब पापा का expectation कौन पूरा करे? मैं बचा last में. Sometimes, क्या बोले अब? And I wanted to take commerce. मुझे लगा यार अब what should I do now? When my father told, oh, so बेटा, so तुम ही हो जो नाम रोशन करोगे साइंस लेके. हम बोले हाँ ले लेंगे फिर. Okay, I took the wrong decision. I should have not taken that. But उस वो उम्र अलग था, you know, I was not so much matured enough to take the right decision. So I took the decision, and I had a lot of problem after that. So whatever, if you are taking wrong decision, if you are choosing wrong people in your life, it will hamper you. You know, that's fine. Now the question is how to take the right decision. So I'll tell you the 3 important steps which will help you to take right decision. It could be any decision, okay? It could be your professional decision, personal decision. I know when you take decision, आप बहुत कुछ सोचते हो, but I'm giving you a very technical way to go to any decision, because decision will lead you to success. Wrong decision will lead you to wrong, you know, wrong place. So the first step 1 is, if you want to take the right decision, the first step is better awareness. Better awareness. It means you should know more. You should know more. The more you know, the more you grow. The more awareness. Awareness means the knowledge. The more you know, awareness is important. Suppose this is the class where you are learning how to be the personal master, how to be, you know, how to create personal mastery. मैं master कैसे बनूं, मैं अपने personality को outstanding level में कैसे ले जाऊं. And that is the reason you have joined this executive class. You could have joined the normal spoken English class, but you have thought that we want something more from life. It's not about only English. We need really something really sophisticated and the need of the time standard. And that is the reason you are here. And right now, what you are doing, you are getting aware, you are getting knowledge. So you are doing the step 1 right now. You are getting awareness through this class. The more you do this class, you will be more aware of personal mastery, how you can create personal mastery. So, so step 1 is better awareness. And you are right now giving your time because you want to be aware. You want to be aware of your field where you want to be the master. And the more you know, the more you are aware, you will learn, you will grow. So the step number 1 is, if you want to be successful in your life, the first step is better awareness. Right now you are spending your quality time. This is Friday. We call it, thank God it's Friday. Okay, Friday is always a wonderful time to spend with your family, but you are investing here because you want awareness. We know this is an Eid time, although people are not celebrating, but Eid is a special occasion where I was not expecting Bashir to be here, but Bashir is giving time here because Bashir knows, Bashir is getting some awareness. So directly, indirectly, you all, whoever you are present here, 20 people, you are here for this step 1, that is awareness. Because you are getting aware of something which you may not know. So you are learning because learning is the only way to become aware. You are learning so that you are getting aware of many things. And what are you learning today? You are learning how to take the best decision. So you are getting aware of taking the best decision. So the more you learn, the more you grow. Let's go for the step number 2. The step number 2 says better choice. Better choice. When you have better knowledge, you have better choice. Better choice, maybe choosing the best person, choosing the right job, choosing the right value, choosing the right job. मैं ये करूं कि मैं ये करूं. You are choosing the right thing. Why? Because you are aware that this class will give you more knowledge. Right? This is very important. The more you are aware, the more you can take the better choice. Yes, absolutely. Prakashni said best alternative, because the more you are aware of, the more you have a better choice. See, uh, before this class, I was not knowing about, getting awake by early morning, doing my exercise, then complete my journal. I write my journal. This is my journal. I write every day plan. After that, I do meditation. I was not doing it 2 years back because I was not aware of. So when I was not aware of something, I never chose to do exercise, to do meditation. The time I knew it, oh my God, this is so important. Meditation is so damn important. Exercise is so damn important. I used to feel exercise वो लोग करते हैं जो लोग मोटे होते हैं. But here we are aware that we need to do exercise to cleanse our mind. The more we do exercise, it will clean my body, it will clean my mind. It will help me to create BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Because the more we have tension, our brain cells, started degrowing. So the more we exercise, it will create some BDNF and it will impact my mind. It will make me more energetic. It will repair the damaged cells. अब देखो ये सब मैं कैसे बोल रहा हूँ, because I have some awareness. अगर ये awareness नहीं होता तो हम कहाँ से इतना information बोलते हैं आपको? So guys, when you are aware, you take the right choice कि भाई मेरे को अब सुबह उठना है. I will do exercise. So you are choosing to do the right thing. Okay, I know you love to sleep, but this time you come to know that no, every morning I have to do exercise. I'm talking about me. So I was telling to me, now I was aware of, my awareness told me what to do. Guys, try to understand. The more we are aware of, we take some right decisions in our life. And this better choice, where does this lead us to? It leads us to implementation and execution. I mean, it talks about what to do now. What to do. Now what is happening? You have taken admission in this executive program. Now you are getting more knowledge. Now you have decided, यार, बहुत दिन चले थे किनारे किनारे, अब जी चाहता है कि मौजों से खेलूं. बहुत दिन बोल लिया यार करेंगे करेंगे, अब बहुत समय हो गया. बहुत दिन चला था किनारे किनारे, अब जी चाहता है कि मौजों से खेलूं. ए राहें तूफा मेरी लाज रखना, अहले साहिल ने ठुकराया है मुझे. It means that every time I used to say मैं करूंगी, मैं करूंगी, मैं करूंगा, मैं करूंगा, but never I started. But today I could make it. भाई बहुत दिन चले थे किनारे किनारे, अब मेरे को आगे बढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. अब मैं इस कंफर्टेबल जोन में नहीं रह सकता. हाँ, मैं खुश हूं इस जोन पे, बट मुझे तो लाइफ में बहुत कुछ हासिल करना है. What I can do in life, I must do. I can do this level and I'm doing this level. I'm happy, okay, but I still can do this. Then why should I compromise with my level of work, my level of standard? Guys, when you grow, there are a lot of negative things happens. So before you grow, you must know this. When you grow, you lose many people in life. Have you ever thought of that? When you grow, you lose many people. You lose many people because those people, they don't decide to grow. So they decide to go. When they do not decide to grow, they have to go because you have decided to go ahead. So guys, this is very important. The more you learn, the more you have aware, you can take the better decisions. And now I believe that you are more serious about the execution. Yes, I will do that because I have the knowledge. I know what is right, what is wrong. So I will do it right now. And when you do the right thing, when you execute the right thing, the result shows it leads to better results. And that's the step number 3, better results. So guys, let's go opposite. If you want the better results, you have to take the right choice. If you take the right choice, for that you have to take some right awareness. And right awareness comes from knowledge. Earlier I used to think we study because we have to get marks. And that is the reason I never felt interested to study. But today I know if I study, I'll be more aware. If I'll be more aware, I will take right decisions. If I'll take right decisions, then I'll get right results. This was called 3MQ, 3 masterpiece quotient to succeed, or, to success. If you are better aware of something, you will take better choice. See, this is not something which you don't know, but maybe we are getting it more closer to the fact that we have to be more aware of everything, whatever we do. And when you get the better results, your income grows and you impact people. This is the 3MQ, we call it 3 masterpiece quotient of success. It talks about if you want to succeed, you need better results so that your income grows, you create more impact. When you create, if you want to get the more results, you have to take some better choices so that you can execute well. Now, for better choices, you need some better awareness. So learn more, grow more. Yes, any question from this? If you have, then you can ask. Neeraj, you want to ask anything?
Oh, it's clear to me.
Yeah. Okay. Anybody you want to ask anything, you can raise your hand. I can help you. Because the more we are aware, the more we are growing. Yes, Rupesh.
It's not related with the slide right now you are showing. It's related with the decision you have taken. Was it your decision to take science, or was it your parent decision to be imposed on you? Because most of us has gone through these phases.
See, it was my decision, but it was the decision I took it emotionally because I thought if I would not take it, it will hurt my parents. But I did wrong because I knew that I didn't want to go for it. I could not say no to my father. See, आज मुझे realize हो रहा है क्योंकि right now I'm thinking from a different angle. I thought that if I would have not gone for science, I would have taken something else. I could have done much better because anyway, I'm not doing anything which is related to science.
Yeah.
So why did I waste my time? I could have done something else. See, I cannot go back. But these learnings basically helping me to take right decisions right now. So that I don't repeat what I've done. I should not कभी गलती से भी ये गलती मैं अपने new generation के साथ ना कर दूं.
Right.
You have to think about that also, right? So guys, success is very easy and success is always guaranteed. People who give their best, you cannot fail because you will not be the same person when you work hard towards your dream. Because when you start, you are a different person, but when you start your journey, you become different. It happens sometimes you don't achieve your goal, what you have observed, but you are not the same person when you started. So always remember, you cannot fail if you're doing your part well. And what is important? Very simple. You have to study, you have to learn. See why you are paying almost double of what the others are paying, because you are getting double of knowledge what they are getting. See, I'm not telling they are inferior, they are superior. I'm not telling that, but they had both option. They had both option to take executive and this. Maybe now they have to think, if we are getting some really quality information here, then why should I not? Because this information will lead to their decision making, right? So that's what. Taking an executive program is always the best investment you do it, because it's not that we are hand holding you. We are giving you some knowledge which will help you to do your part well. And when you do your part well, you always grow in life. Yeah, Anju has written something. So don't think that you have wasted time by taking science. It might have helped you to grow your knowledge. It's not necessary every subject helps you to learn. Absolutely, Anju. See, I didn't want to take science, but anyway, I took science. And, no learning goes in vain. That science is helping me in some way. I would not say it may not be helping me directly. Absolutely, Anju, I'm going ahead with you. Thumbs up to you. I forgot this point. Although it was not my choice of doing science, but that as I did that, some of the knowledge which I got from science, it has helped me in my life. But I'm not telling about subject here. I'm talking about decision. That when we take decision, we should always have the end in mind. Again, I'm repeating, when we take decision, we should have end. We should have end in mind. मुझे जाना है इस तरफ और मैंने सीढ़ी रखा है इस तरफ. Are you getting this? My ladder is here, but I want to go there. So this is the mistake. This is the mistake. Then I become so many things I changed. I took science. Somehow I got into banking. I never wanted to become a banker. So everything happened, वही होता है कि या तो आप लाइफ के हिसाब से चलते हो या आप लाइफ को चलाते हो. Now you have to decide that you want to lead your life the way you want, or you will just leave the way life wants you to go. But whatever, guys, the one thing is sure, once you know better, you achieve bigger. Once you know better, you achieve bigger. There's no doubt on that. It's very important that you know more, because people, no doubt the person who is getting more income right now and impacting more people, they know more than us. Even I'm taking myself also. So if you want to, बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में एक कहावत है, किसी को अपने औकात से ज्यादा पैसा नहीं मिलता है. It's not the number of hours, number of years I'm spending to get more income. Is the knowledge I am getting in my mind. It is helping me to grow. मत सोचिएगा कि आपका उम्र ज्यादा होगा तो आपका इनकम ज्यादा होगा. योर नॉलेज जितना ज्यादा होगा आपका इनकम ज्यादा होगा. It is always the case. Education promotes ideation. The more you get the knowledge, the more you will generate new ideas. आप जितना पढ़ाई लिखाई करोगे ना, पढ़ाई लिखाई मतलब वो पास करने वाला नहीं कि आपको एग्जाम देना है. I'm talking about your life, your domain. The more you know, the more you will create ideas in your mind. मुझे ना आजकल पहले क्या होता था, पहले I used to think about क्या करना है, कैसे मार्केटिंग करना है, how to coach. Everything I used to do, I used to handle everything. Now what happens, we have the team of trainers. We have Nisha ma'am, Neha ma'am, Prakashni ma'am. We have got many, Kaval ma'am, Bhavana ma'am. So now we are a team. So now अब क्या हो रहा है कि I can concentrate more on idea generation, so that I can increase more number of business, I can help more people, I can serve more people. और काम पहले से better हो रहा है, because when you have a team, you do much better. जब आप टीम में काम करते हो, चाहे आप जॉब में हो या बिजनेस में हो. ये पहले मुझे लगता नहीं था. मुझे लगता था ना कि भाई आईडीक्यू में मैं ही पढ़ाता हूँ, अब कोई दूसरा कोच आएगा, अब क्या पढ़ा देगा यार, But I must tell you, the time I decided to have a team, everything started happening better. You should always trust your team, and that is very important. And I'm very happy to get a wonderful team, and we are working really very well. So that's what I'm saying, the more you know, the more you grow. Alka is asking, so do you believe in destiny? Because most of the time I heard that sometimes destiny decides our way. See, destiny is deciding my way. I personally don't believe, because I have till my date, I have decided everything for my life. Huh? Before my graduation, my parents decided everything. But after that, whatever am I today, of course, I have decided to be here and I am here. So abhi tak तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा that destiny has created everything. I have created my destiny. This is what I believe currently. Education promotes ideation and ideation promotes execution. Same cheez hai. The more we know, we will be more creative, we will generate more ideas. The more you have the ideas, it will promote your action. It will promote your action. The more you have idea generation, it will promote your execution. And the more you execute, a man without education, ideation, and execution is heading towards delusion. It's a wonderful line written by Robin Sharma. I like this line. A man without education, ideation, execution is heading towards delusion. Delusion means that person doesn't know where to go and he's stuck and the life happens to him. He doesn't decide how will the life is. A man without education, ideation, and execution is heading towards delusion. So your education, I'm not talking about qualification. Please mind my language. I'm not talking about getting more degrees. I'm talking about education, knowledge. Whatever is your domain, आप किसी भी domain में हो, you are an engineer or a medical officer or CA or a businessman or whatever. If in your field you have the knowledge, you are creative, and you do what is important, you will definitely succeed in your life. No question asked. You will definitely achieve what you want in your life. Learning will only give you the gargantuan shift if you make it a habit. Learning will only give you the gargantuan shift if you make it a habit. Now I'm going to tell you a wonderful, important thing which will help you in your future. Learning will only give you the gargantuan shift if you make it a habit. So now we know that education, knowledge is very much important. We cannot say knowledge is power. Knowledge with execution is power. See, right now, there are 20 people, you are listening me, you are getting knowledge. Many people who are not here, they are not getting the knowledge. But after knowing it, if you don't follow what you are learning today, then this knowledge will make zero change in your life till you execute it. So knowledge is not the the power. Knowledge and execution is the power. See, I'm not saying the big people who are successful, they say that. See, right now you are listening to me. It's not that everything is coming from me. Even I listen so many coaches, international coaches like, Tony Robbins, Dean. So there are many international coaches whom I listen, Robin Sharma. And, I'm getting those knowledge and I'm sharing to you because I have got those knowledge. I found a lot of change in my life. Now I'm giving it to you. So it's not about who is giving you this knowledge. Important is this knowledge is so important. This knowledge is very, very important. Now it's clear that knowledge and execution is power. Today you know this. You have decided, boss, अब मैं every day मैं अपने domain के ऊपर जिसमें मैं काम करता हूँ, I will study. I will work on my communication. I will work on my personality. Every day I will speak in English. I will practice in English, koi ho na ho. I will do it by myself. Every day I will practice for at least 15 to half an hours. Every day I will read books for 1 hour. I will do that. Now you have decided. आज एकदम आप जोश में हो, कल और जोश में आओगे, नेक्स्ट दिन करेंगे, उसके बाद करेंगे, उसके बाद करेंगे, उसके बाद करेंगे, फिर आएगा नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे, फिर सर करेंगे, फिर संडे करेंगे, फिर मंडे करेंगे, फिर ट्यूसडे करेंगे, फिर आएगा फ्राइडे करेंगे. सो ये जो करेंगे और करेंगे, यू नो, वी हैव टू मेक इट अ हैबिट. We become so, you know, so enthusiastic. Class है, चलो यार मेरे को तो करना ही पड़ेगा. अब तो समझ में आ गया. The more I know, the more I grow. अब जैसे बुक लेके बैठेंगे पढ़ने के लिए, तभी नींद आने लगेगा. You know, you'll feel like sleepy. See, I'm telling what I faced it. It's not that easy as it seems, but yeah, it is possible. मैं सब कुछ बोल रहा हूँ so that ये आपके साथ जब होगा तो you can make it. हाँ, ये हो सकता है. That is fine. So what we have to do, we have to make this learning thing in our habit. हमको ये learning को अपने habit में लाना पड़ेगा. See, we are speaking in English. Every time you come and join this class, you listen, you speak in English. But when you don't come in the class, do you give time in speaking? You only know. I don't know. I don't know. Means Rupesh, Vibha, they are together. I don't know. They give time to each other and speak with each of them in English or not. But if you don't make it a habit, things will not happen. Very bad. You have to make it a habit. Now I'll tell you anything you want to make it a habit. सुबह उठना है, आपको exercise करना है, आपको habit बनाना है. How to start? You know meditation is important, so you have to make it a habit, because knowing is not going to help, right? Knowledge is not the power. Knowledge and execution is power. So you have to make it a habit. Otherwise you will again fail. Now I will tell you, आप कोई भी चीज को अपने हैबिट में कैसे लेके जाओगे. हाउ टू मेक एनीथिंग इन योर हैबिट. चाहे वो सुबह उठना हो, और you know, to practice English ho, yeah, whatever. When you start your journey, how to make it a habit. So for this, I'll show you a wonderful protocol, and this protocol is known as habit installation protocol. Habit installation protocol. If you want to make it a habit, what is the protocol you have to maintain? See, why you need a protocol? Because if you don't make it a habit, again you have to come on Friday to charge yourself. Now I'm telling how to always be and feel charged and be charged every time. You know, so Neeraj Madan has said we have to do 21 days daily. Okay, that's a knowledge, and knowledge is half power. We have to execute it. Okay, now see, habit installation protocol. What is that? Learning something new is an easy task, but it takes lifelong to make it a habit. You know, the more we learn, the more we grow, the more we exercise, the more we are stress-free, tension-free. You know everything. It's not about you don't know, it's about execution is not happening. Execution is not happening. So let's go for habit installation protocol. Habit installation protocol. And I really want that you should make this chart in your copy. This is so damn important. So whenever you make this chart, you start from the left and then you go to right. Stage 1 is destruction. Stage 1 is destruction. Stage 1 is destruction. 22 days you need to clear your destruction. Destruction means killing your old habit. See, what is your old habit? Maybe you don't love to read. Maybe that is your old habit. Maybe you don't wake up early in the morning. That is your old habit. So now you know that you have to change your habit. You don't practice at home. You always wait for the class to speak in English. But today you know that I have to speak. I have to speak in English. Otherwise things will not happen. So now you decide, okay, I'll change my habit of speaking. So first 20 days, I'll start talking in English with my husband or with my brother, or if nobody is there, then with myself. Okay, I'll do this. I don't know how, but I'll do that. How I'll do that? I'll do it. You know, many students, they send me their videos. I don't know why, but they give their videos. I never tell them to send their videos, but they send their videos every day. Because उनको चाहिए कि यार कोई हो जो मेरे videos को देखे. So they do the talking for 5-7 minutes and they send the video so that I can see the video. I see the video, I give response every day. एक बार तो रात में, I'm telling you guys, I was so मतलब angry that day. You know, approx रात को midnight, it was 2 a.m. रात को 2 बजे, I got a call, sir, you didn't see my video I send you. मैंने बोला यार, is it the time to tell me that I will see your video? But I like that person was really so dedicated, may not be disciplined, means maybe not knowing that what is right, what is wrong, but he did his work. He sent his video and I didn't check it. So he told me, sir, why did you not check it? I'm not talking about what he did wrong, but I will say what he did right. Every time he's working on his communication, every time it has become a habit for him because every day he is doing it. लेकिन इस बार जब आप लोग करोगे ना, when you will start talking with yourself or your husband or your anybody जिसके साथ आप इंग्लिश में प्रैक्टिस करोगे, you will feel, आप लोग खुद ही हंस दोगे. आप हस्बैंड वाइफ इंग्लिश में बात करोगे, खुद ही हंस दोगे यार, what we are doing. You will go in front of mirror and you will speak, खुद ही हंस दोगे यार, नहीं हो रहा है, मैं खुद से बात कर रही हूँ. I'm speaking in English. Okay, hi Subhash, how are you? I'm good. Okay, so today is Friday. What are your plans? So I'm talking to myself. But some people, they don't feel comfortable. You don't feel comfortable talking to yourself or somebody else, or maybe your husband, maybe your father. You are not comfortable. So now you have to go for 22 days program of destruction. Destruction means you have to kill, you have to work instead of you are feeling uncomfortable. आपको uncomfortable लग रहा है, but आप फिर भी कर रहे हो because you are killing your old habit. What is your old habit? You always feel uncomfortable when you talk in English, not in class, but when you are at home. In class, you know you have to speak, so you speak. But when you don't have class, when you are at home, you feel bit uncomfortable talking to your husband in English. Maybe you feel यार क्या कर रहे हैं, गलत हो रहा है, or you are talking to yourself, और आप सोच रहे हो यार मैं पागल हो गई हूँ क्या? I'm talking to myself. I don't know what people are feeling. This is an old habit. You have been feeling it for a long time. Now you have to kill this habit because this habit is coming between you and your target. You want to be a wonderful communicator, so you have to speak. But you are reluctant because you feel uncomfortable. So now you have to kill your old habit. So that is 22 days it takes. And this stage is called destruction. This 22 days is a destruction phase. I just tell you a wonderful story and you will love it. I don't know whether you know it or not. Some of our coaches, they dance in the class also. Have you heard about it? Have you seen that? Yes, we do dancing also. And when I tell my coach, hey dear, let's make a party, let's do some party and let's dance. और कोचेस को लगता है यार मैं तो डांस करने के लिए आया ही नहीं था यहाँ पे. I thought कि I'll be coaching here. I'm told to dance. See, it's not about dancing. It's about, It's making people friendly, थोड़ा atmosphere को friendly करना, so that people can take it as a friend and dance. So some coaches, they face difficulty because उनको लगता है यार मैंने कभी डांस किया ही नहीं है, how can I do that? ऊपर से I'm a coach, how can I dance? See, this is an old habit. Like Neha ma'am, जब भी बोलो डांस करने के लिए, but हाँ अपना काम, she knows what to do, but she knows how to dance also. But some people, some coaches, they may not be so friendly with dance, so they never dance it. But the important is it good? Is it going to create something better? Yes. When you dance, when you coach, it makes people more relaxing. People become more friendly. People can listen well. But this is an old habit that I cannot dance. So now you need 22 days. You have to dance. And you have to come out from the old habit of not dancing, Sorry. How do you dance? That's not important. Important is whether you become a child sometimes or not. हमेशा parent बनना, हमेशा adult ego state. कभी कभी child ego state is also important, right? Child ego state, हंसना, enjoy करना. सब कभी कभी बच्चा बनने में भी मजा आता है. So, but कुछ लोग ना बच्चा बन ही नहीं पाते. Their old habit, I cannot do that. Like even, you tell KK sir also dances. बट आपने कभी शायद बोला नहीं होगा, के सर है भाई कैसे बोलो एक दिन यार, थोड़ा उनको भी बोलो, थोड़ा चाइल्ड ईगो स्टेट में आने, थोड़ा डांस वांस करने. ही विल एंजॉय दैट, आई एम टेलिंग यू. So, because he knows when to do that, he's very flexible in that case. No, what I'm telling you, if I tell you to dance, can you dance? The question is that, so किसी को हैबिट नहीं है तो उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसको 22 days डांस करना पड़ेगा. उसको लगेगा यार what I am doing, I am not happy. Oh no, this is not natural. I don't want to do that. This is not my style. मुझे मन नहीं कर रहा है यार. People are looking at me. How can I dance? But if I can do this for 22 days, then you will feel, oh my God, it's becoming a habit. I'm doing it. I'm enjoying that. See, if something is good, dancing is never bad. If you do it, it's a wonderful thing. You make people so good, feel good. So guys, I'm just telling, it could be any habit. When you do it, zabardasti, aapko maza nahi aa raha hai, but if you know that mujhe padhna padega, I don't have a habit of reading books, but first 20 days, 22 days, if you do, you will come to destruction phase, to installation phase. Installation phase will need another 22 days. Stage 2, installation, 22 days. Destruction means killing your old habit. Now, after 22 days, you go to installation phase where you install the new habit in your neuroscience. See, everything is there in our mind. You may be dancing through your body, but everything, all the instructions are coming from your mind. So first 22 days, if you work even without being happy, after 20 days, you will be habituated and now you will feel like, yes, I'm doing it. अभी हो रहा है, अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे आदत लगी है इसकी, अब नहीं करने से मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. It could be anything. It could be an exercise or anything. अब आप नहीं करोगे तो आपको खराब लगेगा. So when you complete this 22 days of installation, now you reach to the last stage, that is stage 3, integration. अब आपके खून में चला जाता है वो habit. आप without reading a book आप जिंदा नहीं रह पाओगे. Without dance आप रह नहीं पाओगे. You will not be able to control yourself if you don't do that. Stage 3, integration. It has got integrated in your neuroscience. Now it has become a habit, like the way you breathe. Like the way you breathe, you will start doing that work. So 22 days, 22 days, 22 days. destruction to installation, installation to integration. If you want to create a new habit in your life, you want to read books, you want to wake up in the morning, you want to take vegetarian or whatever, you want to be, you want to speak in English and every day you have to speak, just follow this 22, 22, 22 days. So basically this is 66 days protocol you have to maintain. The 66 days protocol you have to maintain. Whatever, जो भी चीजें आप अपना हैबिट बनाना चाहते हो, कोई भी, कुछ भी हो सकता है वो, it needs it, you have to go through this 66 days of protocol. Destruction, this destruction phase is very difficult, very hard, very hard. You will not feel like doing it. आपको लगेगा this is not natural, I am not accustomed to do this. You will not be feeling good, you will not be feeling good. So the first stage is destruction, second is installation, and third is integration. If you follow this, you can make anything in your habit. And you know, you can see there is one red point at the right side top. There's a red point. You know what is that red point? That red point is called the automaticity point. The automaticity point. The automaticity point. The automaticity point. What is the meaning? When everything happens automatically. When everything will happen automatically, you know, everything will happen. You will study, you will do exercise, you will do meditation, you will eat as per your diet, you will do everything which you need, and it will be automatic. But it will become automatic after 66 days of protocol. So till 60 days, this journey will not be so easy, guys. This journey will be very hard. You will not feel like doing it. कल से लग जाओ इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए, you know, you take somebody, आपके husband, आपके brother, आपका भाई, you know, कोई भी, you will feel very uncomfortable. But if you can manage to do this for 66 days, you will create an automaticity point after 60 days. जब सब कुछ automatically चलेगा. Remember, guys, this is very important. All change is hard at first. Whatever the change you want to bring in your life, all changes are hard at first. Very hard. People, they don't feel like doing because this is not their nature. They feel very hard. But after 22 days, the middle point, you know, people feel messy. People feel, यार कुछ तो नया स्टार्ट किया हूं बट पता नहीं मैं कंप्लीट कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं 66 days तक. You'll feel so messy in the middle. You'll feel so messy. You'll feel confused. You'll feel like quitting. You'll feel like quitting. You'll feel like quitting in the messy. You know, when things become messy, you'll be so confused. You'll feel like, यार मैंने सही किया क्या start करके, मैं तो I'm not getting any result. आपको result ही नहीं दिखेगा. You'll feel so confused. But remember, guys, if you follow 22 days of installation, the next 22 days will be a gorgeous at the end. All change is hard at first, messy in the middle, but gorgeous at the end. This is the science of your habit. If you are really working on your habit, it will give you an awesome result because it will change your game totally. Nobody can stop you to become successful in your life. It's hard, it's very messy, but it will be gorgeous at the end. You'll feel that I've done something in my life. Okay, this was all about the 3 MQs, the masterpiece quotient of success. Then we talked about that. So now whatever you're going to do, you have to make it a habit. So habit, you have to use the habit protocol. That protocol is very much important. Habit installation protocol. Damodar is asking, no, I think Alka is asking if in between 66 days, if any reason we miss any days or days, then it will work or will start again. पहले से ही मतलब स्टार्ट करने से पहले ही क्विट कर देते हैं कुछ लोग, पहले से ही सोच लेते हैं शायद ऐसा कुछ दिन आएगा, ऐसा सोचते हैं आप लोग. Why you think like that? Why don't you think that I'll not do that? अब जो भी होगा 66 डेज के बाद होगा, क्योंकि 66 डेज के बाद तो आपको आदत लग जाएगी. 66 days you have to do it. मुझे जहां तक पता है, if you break, you have to again start from the beginning. You are just increasing the number of days. That's what. Yes, any question from your end? If you have, then you can ask. Before we leave, I'll just tell you a wonderful story. Today what we have decided that you have to go through destruction. You have to kill your habit. When you kill your habit, you kill yourself. You know how? Again, I'm repeating, when you kill your habit, you kill yourself. I'll give you a very good story. There is one person who was a traveler, who went to Africa. Please listen, who went to Africa for some work, and while returning, usko laga ki, he has time. Let's go to bird sanctuary. So he went to bird sanctuary. He saw a lot of birds, and birds were talking. Birds were talking, and he liked it so much. He decided that I will take one bird from Africa and I will bring it to India. So he did all the formalities. There were a lot of formalities. He took that bird from Africa and he brought it in India. And that bird was very happy, with his master. His master took care of that bird so well. And that bird used to talk, that's so well, so good. After 10 years, that traveler again got a chance to go back to Africa. So he told his bird, hey, I'm going to your home. So do you have any message to tell them? Then that bird said that, yes, so if you are going there, please tell everyone there that you are taking a wonderful care of myself. You're taking a wonderful care of myself, and I'm very happy. And he was so good. He was so happy. He went to Africa, and so he went to Africa and he got a chance, and he went to, that bird sanctuary again. And he saw a lot of birds, and he just said, I came here 10 years back, and, I got one of your friend from here. And that friend of mine, he has a message for you. वो आपको एक message देना चाहते हैं कि he is so good there. He is so happy. And the time he said this, there was one bird fell down from the tree and died. Imagine. That bird fell down from top of the tree and died after listening this. And he was so surprised, shocked. What happened? He came back India. He asked his bird, what happened? I went to your sanctuary, and what happened? When I said that you're so happy, I'm taking care so well, that bird jumped, that bird fell down from the tree and died. Believe me, after
Sir, is it
listening
mother
that,
bird or a lover bird?
I don't know. Listen the whole story. Listen the whole story. So that, he said the whole incident. After listening this incident, that bird in the cage, so that bird was in the cage, that bird in the cage died. My God, he was dumbstruck to see what is happening. Why that bird fell down and died, and why my bird, after listening this, died inside the cage. He was very sad. He was not understanding what I did. I didn't do anything wrong. फिर he was very unhappy, and वो फिर अपने bird को cage से निकालता है वहां पे. The time he took out the bird from the cage, that bird flew away and sat in the ceiling. That traveler thought, my God, what happened? He asked that bird, you tricked me. You lied to me. That bird said, somewhere in Africa, one of my, I don't know who was there, but through his activity, he showed me a thing. He wanted to tell me a thing, that if you have to live, you have to die. If you want to live better, you have to die being alive. You have to die being alive. Try to understand what I mean to say. If you really want to live, you have to die. Your habit, the habit which is taking you down, you have to kill that habit. And when you kill your habit, you kill one of your bad personality. And you
Burning
become
spirit.
a new personality. Yes.
Burning spirit.
Absolutely.
Burning
So when you
desire only
change,
then.
when you change your personality, you kill your bad personality and you generate your new personality, and you live again, and your old personality died.